Today we are going to see how do you build an online business using CPA marketing and Google search traffic. So, CPA marketing is another type of affiliate marketing where you promote free offers. As a free trial on Netflix or a free giveaway of like an ebook, or could be like a free sign up for a newsletter, and you will get paid for each of those free sign ups. So I'm gonna show you how to use Google search ads and how to use bridge pages. So, if you don't know what bridge page is, it's basically like a middleman between your affiliate link and your Google search ads. So, if you just promote your affiliate link on Google search, then you will get banned. So, you have to build this bridge page first, which is kind of like your own website. And then your affiliate link will be in this website right here, and if someone clicks on that link and signs up for the free trial, then you will get a commission. So this is really simple to do. This is just the basics of promoting a CPA offer on Google search. So, the three things that you learn here is how to find the best affiliate offers to promote, how to create a bridge page, and how to use Google search traffic for that. We're gonna find an offer from maxbounty.com. If you don't have an account in MaxBounty, you can find another CPA network. Just visit fpaying.com and you will see a bunch of other networks who are waiting for you to join and promote their offers. Make sure you watch till the end of the video, because if you watch till the end of the video, you're gonna learn exactly how to build an online business that's automated from Google search traffic and CPA offers. At first, log into your CPA network account and choose your offer. Here I'm searching for making money related offers targeted GOUSA. As we can see, lot offers here, so choose only that what carrying good payout with good EPC as well. So these offers have different details. Read it carefully. It's saying that if someone registers here through your affiliate link and takes this $1 trial, then you will get paid $28. And this another offer description info saying that we will get paid $2 if somebody register to this offer through our link. Isn't it cool? Now open a notepad and save your tracking link. If you want, you can short this link with Bitly. Okay, our first step of work done. Now we need a VPN. I'm using Windscribe VPN and change my IP to the United States. If you promoting offers for other countries, then select those. Now open a private window in your browser and search for your offer keywords. My offer is related to make money online, so I'm typing related to the keyword in this topic. So as you can see here already, our niche competitors running their campaign on Google Ads. So visit their landing pages. Observe their website landing page or bridge page very carefully. Okay, now we are in second step, and here we need a bridge page to make our offer convert. Well, we have to reverse engineering our competitor's website landing page. Here I'm using Instapage to build a landing page. From Instapage I'll get 14 days free trial, and it enough for me. So you have to make your landing page as like your competitor's landing page, but not to copy 100%. Okay, we are in third step. As we are all done now, it's time to work on our ad campaign. Visit ads.google.com and sign up with your Google account. Click on that plus icon to start your campaign. Here we can see 5 options for running ads on Google. But we only choose website traffic as we need a lot of traffic. As much as traffic visit our website, it will be more possible to have better conversions. Give here that Instapage landing page link what we just made. Write here the name of your campaign related to your offer name. Select only search ads not display. Okay, now select your target audience. For this you can get little help from Google Trends like this. Daily budget. We can start with $5, and if we get better conversion we can increase it later. So for that CPM, you can leave it black or give as I'm giving. Also if you want you can get help from this CPM calculator site. Suppose your daily budget is $5 and your CPM is 0.50, then you might get around 10,000 impressions for that. And now save it. In this page, you have to choose your campaign keywords. So choose those keywords what is searchable and mostly related to your offer. I'll discuss about keywords in some of my other upcoming videos, but now I'm choosing keywords randomly according to my offers. Okay, now in this step you have to enter your ad heading, so get help from your competitors' ads as well. Get some help from your offer preview page. After all, don't wait for some days. As soon as Google review your ad and if they don't find anything wrong, they will approve it and your ad will live soon. Hope you like this video. If you have any confusion you can ask in a comment or visit our social pages for more information. Thank you, keep supporting. All the best.